Hello again. Once again, happy Animal and Man Day. So I've counted to 3,100 two times. And I wanted to do it a third time, but apparently that's not God's will. And I can see why he would insist that I let that suffice, because what I wanted to help you understand was, okay, we count to 3,100 one time, and then we count to it another time, so that's two times. So that's the equivalent of 6,200. But do you know how many times you'd have to count to 3,100 in order to get to the spherical theorist's number in terms of miles, supposedly, to the sun? Well, let's count to that number, okay? Let's do that. So let's imagine this is 1 times 3,100. Okay, we did that once. And then we counted to 3,100 a second time. So that brings us to 6,200. Imagine counting to 3,100 a third time. I kept trying to do it, but there was not enough space, and I'm not going to presume to know better than God. So I'm going to spare you counting to it a third time. But imagine if I did. In fact, if you want to experience that, you can watch, take your pick. Whichever video you want where I counted to 3,100, you can watch it again, and that would make it a third time. Watch them as many times as you want to make it more realistic. But you have 1, 2, 3 times 3,100, 4 times 3,100, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 times 3,100. And then 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31. So 32 times 3,100 is 99,200. But that's not even close to how far away they presume the sun is. So let's keep going. Okay. So then you have, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64 times 3,200. So that would be 99,200 times 2 now. Let's just jump to 96, okay? And then 97, 98, 99. So 100 times 3,100 would be, how much is that? 310,000, isn't it? I think it is. So then let's go like this. 1, 2, 3 here, and 4. So that's 200 times 3,100, okay? 300 times 3,100. So that would be whatever it is. 400 times 3,100. 500 times 3,100. 600 times 3,100. 700 times 3,100. 800 times 3,100. 900 times 3,100. 1,000 times 3,100, which is 3,100,000. That's a lot of miles, but it's not even close to what the spherical theorists presume you're going to believe. So let's count. 1,001, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 21, 22, 1,023 times 3,100, 1,024 times 3,100, 2,048, 3,072, 4,096, 5,120, and again, of course, times 3,100. Now, I want to give you a quick crash course on base 32, which is also known as duotrigesimal. So, in base 32, or duo trigesimal. So I have this DTG symbol signifying base 32. A 100 equals 1024. A 200, or I call it 200, decimal 2048. 300, not to be confused with 300, looks like 300 but equals 3072. 400 equals decimal 4096. 500 equals 5120, etc. With that in mind, let's count in base 32 because I want to speed this up. So, starting here, we have our 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900, A100, B100, C100, D100, E100, F100, G100. Some of you might wonder what I'm doing. If you have a background in hexadecimal, it'll help you. But I'm basically continuing where hexadecimal left off. So, H100, G100, K100, M100, N100, P100, Qua100, Ra100, Us100, T100, V100, U100, X100, Y100, wait a sec, X100. That's decimal 29,696. So let's say X100, decimal 29,696. So 97, 98, 99, 700. So 29,700. Let's add 100 by going 1, 2, 3 here and 4 there. So that'd be 29,800. 29,900. And 30,000. Okay? 30,000. You have to count to 3,100, 30,000, and again, so that's 29,696 plus 9 times 32 plus 16 will give you